everyone, and welcome to English with Ava and Ryan.
We're so happy you're here today.
Today's topic is one of the most confusing parts of English grammar: be, been, and being.
Honestly, Ava, I see these words all the time, but I never feel completely confident using them.
You're definitely not alone. Many English learners struggle with them. Let's get started. Great idea. Be is the base form of the verb. Think of it as the original version before it changes into other forms. Of course, I want to be successful. It's important to be honest. Just be yourself. Try to be patient. Exactly. Native speakers use be every day. That's right.
Let's begin with be. Can you give us some examples? I hear that phrase all the time, be yourself. So whenever I see to be, I'm looking at the basic form of the verb.
Sure. Imagine you're preparing for a job interview. You might say, I want to be confident. I want to be prepared. You could also say, I want to be healthier. I want to be more organized. I want to be a better speaker. Because they are.
Let's make it practical. What about daily life? Those sound very natural. Okay, now let's talk about been. Can you show us?
Good. Been is usually used with have, has, or had. I have been busy. She has been working all day. We have been friends for years. They had been waiting before the train arrived. That's because it's extremely common in everyday English.
I hear have been.
I've been great. Thanks for asking. How about you? What have you been working on? That's wonderful.
I've been very busy lately. I've been improving my English. Now let's talk about being. Can you give us some examples?
Being is often used when we're talking about someone's behavior or actions at a particular moment. Thank you for being kind. She is being very helpful today. Why are you being so quiet? He is being unusually friendly. Exactly.
So being often describes how someone is acting. Let's hear some more examples.
Imagine a parent talking to a child. Thank you for being polite. Or a teacher might say, you're being very attentive today, because native speakers use them all the time.
Those sound very natural. Can we compare all three words together?
Being is often used when we're talking about someone's behavior or actions at a particular moment. Thank you for being kind. She is being very helpful today. Why are you being so quiet? He is being unusually friendly. Exactly.
So being often describes how someone is acting. Let's hear some more examples.
Imagine a parent talking to a child. Thank you for being polite. Or a teacher might say, you're being very attentive today. Because native speakers use them all the time.
Those sound very natural. Can we compare all three words together?
Those sound very natural. Can we compare all three words together?
Now I can finally see the difference. What mistakes should learners avoid?
Let's look at a few common mistakes. I have been busy. She is being nice. I want to be successful. They are, but with practice, you'll stop making them. Let's review today's lesson. Be is the basic form of the verb. Been usually follows have, has, or had. Being often describes behavior or actions happening now.
That was much easier than I expected. We hope you enjoyed today's episode.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I want to be successful.
I want to be successful.
I have been busy all day.
I have been busy all day.
Thank you for being kind.
Thank you for being kind.
Let's do a quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? A, I have be busy. B, I have been busy.
The correct answer is B. I have been busy.
Excellent. English grammar becomes simple when you learn it through real conversations. If this lesson helped you, make sure to subscribe to English with Ava and Ryan. Thanks for listening.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. We'll see you in the next episode.
Ava and Ryan.
Bye, everyone.